Hello everyone, my name is Samantha Thompson and I'm a current student at the Community College of Philadelphia. I'm right now staying as a sophomore, so I'm just a couple semesters away from graduation, so I'm really excited about that. And I'm currently studying paralegal studies, which is my major. Um, I'm actually looking forward to graduating really soon because my plan is after graduation is to transfer to Pierce College to get my bachelor's degree and hopefully down the road even receive my master's degree, so that's pretty exciting. I'm currently taking a CIS class to gain a certification in a little bit of the tech world because with the world of law is constantly changing and you kind of have to keep up to date with technology. So I found these two software programs, Desktops and ZoomIt, to be very helpful for me, especially being a paralegal, constantly having to read and write and research and kind of go back and forth between desktops. So I found that these two applications were really helpful to me. So the first one we're going to talk about is Desktops. So first you go to your Windows Sysinternals website and you go to the section on the sidebar that says miscellaneous and you click on desktops. Now desktops is kind of a way to have a kind of multiple screens in one screen. So let's first start by downloading desktops. You open with Windows Explorer, click OK. Desktops is going to appear in your File Explorer. So you click on Desktops. It's going to ask you to extract all the documents within that file. So you click on Extract All. You choose a location. I kind of suggest that you go with Documents. And you click on Documents and select Folder. And you click Extract. Now I already have desktops in my folder, so they want to see whether or not I have the same. But for you, it will just automatically go to the next page. So I'm just going to replace files. And you scroll down and then here you're going to see desktops. You click on it and here you're going to see desktops icon. You click on it and this window is going to show up where it allows you to have your shortcuts and choose your controls as far as using desktops. So you click on your controls and you click OK. Now your desktop is also going to appear in your show hidden icons at the bottom of your taskbar. So you can click on it and as you can see here are your 4 desktops. So this is the current desktop I'm on and I click on the second one and I can just go into my Word document and click on a Word document and it will pop up and I can go back to desktops and I can just go back and forth between my desktops. Now desktops is kind of like the ability to have the best of both worlds where you can multitask without having to worry about your computer slowing down. You don't have to worry about things freezing up. You don't have to worry about, controlling 20 windows and then having like 10 files open. So I find it a lot easier as a paralegal student because I'm always going back and forth reading and writing and having to look back on things. So this really comes in handy. Next application we're going to talk about is ZoomIt. ZoomIt is kind of a little bit different. It's kind of a way for you to kind of be interactive with your desktop where you can actually write on your desktop or write on documents or maybe write on pictures where you want to have like demonstrations or you want to have displays or you kind of really want to interact with your computer. So you go back to the Sysinternals website, you go to the miscellaneous section, you scroll down and you click on ZoomIt. Now we're going to click download ZoomIt. We're going to open it in Windows Explorer again, click OK. We're basically going to go through the same process we did with desktops. You click on your ZoomIt. You extract your files. You click a location. I highly suggest documents. Select folder and click extract. I'm going to make sure I replace the files because I already have ZoomIt on my desktop. And then you're going to scroll down your File Explorer and you're going to see ZoomIt, which is right there. And then you're going to click on ZoomIt. Now you may, before you get this window, you may get a window that says your smart screen can't be reached. So I just suggest you click on Run. It will open you back in your File Explorer and then you click on ZoomIt again and this window should pop up. And these basically will allow you to kind of set your settings with ZoomIt, whether it be from how far away or how close it zooms up when you use a ZoomIt screen. When you draw, the different commands you can use when you're drawing, the type of font you want to use when you're writing, and even they have something called a break, which is kind of like a mini timer where it kind of times you in and out of the ZoomIt application. So you can set that, and after that you can change it around whichever you prefer, and then you click OK. And then you go back to where you have your hidden icons and ZoomIt will be right there. And when you click it, you hear either options. You have the timer, which will appear like this. You click the escape button and then you go back to Zoom It and you can click draw, and then you can just simply draw on your document. You click escape, and then you go back to Zoom It. Oops, click on Zoom It, and you click on Zoom, and automatically it will zoom in, and you can move around your screen and just zoom, as you can see, and then you click escape. And for Zoom It is kind of like for those that love to, instead of, they don't like writing, they prefer maybe like drawing, or drawing displays or presentations, or making like markings on your document without having to type. So Zoom is kind of handy for those that are interested in doing that. And for me, I find it really helpful to use it with Zoom It and with desktops and put them together. I can easily multitask while at the same time being interactive with the documents I'm using. So that's it for me today. I hope this video found you hopeful in using these applications for your usage, and I hope you wish you well.